This store operates on a dropshipping model and sells this product. Last month, it managed to generate over $17,000 in sales from this product, all without spending a single dollar on ads. All they do is create content on TikTok, having set up a TikTok account with the store link in the bio, and posting daily content about this product. They sell this product for approximately $27, while the product cost is only about $3. This has enabled them to achieve a significant profit margin, with over 600 orders completed last month. Now I'll teach you how to start dropshipping. Subscribe to the channel and like this video because I share winning products daily. I'll leave a Shopify registration link in the video description where you can get a free trial and your first 3 months on Shopify for $1 per month instead of paying the full plan price. The second step is the supplier, which is Zendrop. I'll leave a link to the Zendrop app in the video description, and you'll install the app on your store. The advantage of Zendrop is that it offers a free plan, thousands of winning products, auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. After installing the app, you'll go to Apps and select Zendrop. From there, you'll start typing the name of the product you want to work with, which is the product this person is selling. You'll open it and find all the product details, such as the product cost, shipping cost, which varies by country, and the total cost. To add the product to your store, you'll click Add to My Products. Then you'll click on My Product. You'll find the product listed there, and you'll click on Review and Publish. From this point, you can edit all the product details before publishing it on your store, such as the product name, description, variants, and selling price. For example, you might sell this product for $25, and here you'll see the net profit per unit sold. You'll select the images to display on your store, then click Publish to My Store and then Confirm. With this, the product is published on your store. If you go to Shopify and click on Products, you'll find the product listed there. Additionally, I'll leave a link in the video description to a video with a full explanation of how to create and design a Shopify store. Now, once a customer orders the product, if you go to Zendrop, you'll find the order there and can ship it to the customer. The customer will have already paid you for the order via the payment gateway you linked to Shopify. Next, you'll add funds equal to the product cost and start shipping the order to the customer. The advantage of Zendrop is that its free plan offers 25 order fulfillments. If you want unlimited order fulfillment, you can subscribe to a paid plan. You can start in 2 ways. Create a TikTok account, put your store link in the bio, and start creating daily content about the product. Start running ads on TikTok. I'll leave links to 2 special TikTok offers in the video description. That's it. This was today's video. I wish you a happy journey in e-commerce. Goodbye.